Certain people on social media, what they have been doing, especially on YouTube over the years, is they have been doing some frivolous kind of researching and then give the people them some hype up friggin' video and them get views and them get paid off of it, or I guess. So, based on that, when other people come in now and they come in and take the time to actually do real research and step in at them lane, they get offended. And based on that, SouFLoTV was getting a fight. Anyways, people, no boy can't call we don't know where, so we do a thing and we do a thing proper, right? So, with that said, welcome to SouFLoTV today, and the topic of today's video is Usain Bolt. Did Usain Bolt leave PUMA? SouFLoTV again, everybody, is your host with the most. Check this out. There's a story going around about Usain Bolt, and the story says that Usain Bolt has left PUMA and has signed with Nike. Matter of fact, the story is saying that Usain Bolt has signed one of the biggest contracts that Nike, in the history of Nike, signing a single athlete too, right? Now, hear this. That story came about to my attention at SouFLoTV. Big up to my audience and big up to my subscribers. One of the subscribers them link me and them say, yo, SouFLoTV, that youth, yeah, I talk about how, so a certain person that threw shade at SouFLoTV a couple of weeks ago, and I talk about how we need to get the facts straight over here at SouFLoTV because them have inside links. That person actually went and did this story talking about how Usain Bolt just left PUMA for Nike. No. The subscriber that linked me lived in a Jamaica, and the subscriber that linked me said, yo, I don't know whether you get film information from me because this not sound right. So, I tell the person, say, yo, don't call that person a name to me ever again. It's them petty beef. A lot of you running around on all these social media networks and picking up information from everywhere. You're so quick to believe everything that people tell you, man. When we live in a world of information, we are in the informational age. So from when me are telling us that, if you're going to look up your own information and decide on your own. Don't let these people keep beating you in the head with stupidity, okay? Come off of YouTube, if anything, and allow the nonsense alone, because half of them is saying something that makes no damn sense, alright? So the story ran, and the story says, Nike has signed Usain Bolt to a lifetime deal. ESPN's Darren Rovell reports. Poor Darren Rovell. The contract is the largest single athlete deal in Nike's 46-year history. It also marks the first time that Nike has officially given a lifetime deal. Alright? Alright. So, under this contract now, me gonna look up some information and this is what I get. According to ESPN, Darren Rovell, at the same fucking story that, see it now? At the same story the youth on YouTube, me not call him name because he don't deserve no friggin' promotion. When I said let's work together to certain people and they didn't want to work with us, me not call them blood clot name. No promotion for them. Y'all know who running these fake stories. Anyways, according to ESPN, Darren Rovell, this is what this person and at the same fake story. Now I've went to many other sites who have retracted the story and have said that this site that has released this story is a bogus site. At this point there's a lot of money running around for Usain Bolt. Forbes predict that $340 million will be made in 1 year off of Usain Bolt shoe sales with Nike. $30 million annually for the rest of his life, no matter how long him live, is how much Nike is going to be paying Usain Bolt for the rest of his life. This is the first time that Nike has ever did a lifetime deal, and all these things that I talk about. When my subscriber linked me, my subscriber said, yo, you think this is true? SouFLoTV, me know say you do thorough research, so I'm going to do a research on this and come talk to you about it. Alright, see it here. I said to myself, Bolt left Nike. Nah, sir. Bolt a loyal youth. Bolt is so loyal, right? Bolt has been offered hundreds of millions of dollars to run for other nations and still stick to little Jamaica. You hear me, I say? So, when the idea or the story came to me that Bolt left in the middle of the freaking Olympics, he leaves a major sponsorship that has been with him since his teenage years to sign for money with Nike because they offer him what, 2-3 times more. I highly doubted it. Okay? So, like a youth name, like Bolt now, Bolt is a youth who say loyalty over everything. You know what I say? Bolt said Gaza from day one and said Free Vibes Cartel from day one and could have gotten and did get enough backlash over it. These are the things to show you Usain Bolt's character. Like, he will never leave what he is committed to. So anyway, may I bring up something for you, just to prove to you that this story is a hoax. And this right here is an official press release from 2013. This was released on September 24th of 2013. So this was 3 years ago. Okay, or almost 3 years ago now. And this was released in Germany. We can't pronounce the Herzogenaurach, Germany, where PUMA announced today that it has signed a renewed endorsement contract with the world's fastest man, Usain Bolt, having partnered with the Jamaican world and Olympic champion since he was 16 years old. This new deal sees PUMA working with Usain Bolt through and beyond 2016 Olympic Games in Rio. This release from 2013. So like I said to my subscriber when he called me, I said, yo, maybe, because anything is possible in the world, so maybe Nike bought out the deal from PUMA, paid PUMA off what they would have paid Usain Bolt for a lifetime, plus gave Usain Bolt their kind of a deal. And this is what's making news. This would have been a mega deal, and if this had actually been reality, this would have been all over every friggin' airwave. So I was wondering how this was so quiet, right? Now 27 years old, and this was Bolt 27 years old in 2013. We're in 2016, and it is the Olympics. So at this point, Usain Bolt has been training and competing in PUMA since 2003, most recently wearing the Evo Speed Performance Speed, which led him to the first finish line at the 2012 Olympic Games in London and 2013 IAAF World Championships in Moscow, where he won a total of 6 gold medals. He has been the face of multiple global marketing campaigns orchestrated by PUMA and will be the focus of products, initiatives, and brand marketing communication in 2014 and beyond the 2016 Olympics in Rio. This was a deal inked in 2013. Should I go on? Usain Bolt commented, this are Usain Bolt words now and up. Me tell them if you stop make social media twist up on the mind. Stop let the people on YouTube come up with them little frivolous videos twist up on the mind. Bolt didn't sign no deal with Nike. Bolt is still with PUMA. Check it. This is Usain Bolt's own words. PUMA has been with me since the very beginning. They recognized my talent at an early age and have supported me throughout, especially in the early years when I had some difficulty or some difficult times due to injuries. PUMA never left me. That's very serious for an artist. That's very serious for an athlete. For a company like PUMA to stick by you even through your times when you had difficulties with injuries, because you know all super athletes, they go through those periods where the body breaks down. They're only human. One of their biggest worries is that their major sponsors are going to stick around. So Bolt, I tell you, PUMA never left him even when his body was breaking down and he was going through times where he had injuries and him couldn't live up to expectations then and all these things. He goes on to say that their work, speaking of PUMA, in Usain Bolt's words, their work and commitment to Jamaica is also very important to me. I have always been very happy to be a part of the PUMA family. I am proud to represent them and I am delighted to continue with them for years. The CEO of PUMA, Gulden, said, Usain Bolt has been a part of PUMA since he was 16 years old. With our support, we grew from a young athlete with huge potential to a world and Olympic champion, claiming the title to the world's fastest man. And as you know, now in this 2016 Olympics, Bolt has been the only man in history to claim the 100-meter 3 consecutive Olympics in a row with PUMA, going from a 16-year-old child with a lot of potential to a historic figure. Alright? I don't think he would have left PUMA at this point. We are very proud to extend our sponsorship contract with him because Usain is the perfect ambassador for the PUMA brand. He will play a crucial role in our future. The product concept as well as brand communications leading towards the Olympic Games in Rio 2016 and beyond. Again, when you see how much time I say Rio 2016 and beyond. So, in addition to this contrast endorsement with Usain Bolt, PUMA has long-standing commitments to Jamaican track and field. This is what Usain Bolt was saying is very important to him. So for all of the people that will come on and I say Usain Bolt has signed this mega deal with Nike and he's about to make $30 million a year, plus Forbes list is predicting that he will make $340 million per year off of just the Nike shoes that are about to come out with Usain Bolt and all these things. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a big lie. It's a fake. Many sites have been retracting the story after putting the story out because after doing their research they have found out that it's a lie. What's surprising to me is no one has been able to get a hold of Usain Bolt, have him sit down and ask him the simple question: did you just leave PUMA to sign a mega deal with Nike? How simple would that have been? And the answer would have been no. I am still with PUMA. So people, there you have it. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's a big up Usain Bolt. Truly a champion, truly a giant amongst men. And big up to Jamaica. That was said. We out of here. Peace.